الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Atikur Rahman and welcome to another lesson of Learn, Read and Write Arabic, Lesson 14, Vowels and Sounds, Part 3. Now we're going to learn some new vowels. So this is going to be a long fatha. So we've already done fatha before, but this is a different symbol. This is long fatha. So if you can remember what the old fatha looked like, but this long fatha is like a standing fatha. And in fact, some people actually call it a standing fatha. And with the normal fatha is a a sound. So with the long fatha, as you might have guessed, it's going to be a sound. So just a sound, but stretched. So over here we have a hamza with the fatha, with the long fatha on it. So it's going to be dama. So all three of these letters have a fatha on it, but the hamza has a long fatha, so that's going to be stretched longer. Dama. And then the next word over here, long kasra. And this is going to be like a standing kasra, you might call it. And instead of a e, it will be e. So we just stretch the kasra sound, and that's why it's called a long kasra or a kasra mud, some people call it. So over here we got a ba with the kasra under it, so bi, and then a ha with the long kasra under it, he, bihi, bihi, and then a long dhamma as well. So whereas the normal dhamma has a u sound, the long dhamma will have a u sound. So just a u sound stretched. Let's do a quick example as well. So this is a lam with a fathani and then a ha with a long dhamma. Lahu. If it was a normal dhamma, it'll just be lahu. But because it's a long dhamma, it's lahu. We stretch that. Let's do some quick examples over here. So the first example is going to be for long dhamma. So we've got dal with the fathani and an alif after it. Da. I'll explain a bit about that later. But look at this wow. This wow has a long dhamma on it. So it's not going to be woo. It's going to be woo. And then a dal for the fathani. Da-woo-da. And the next example, waw fatawa, ra kasra ri, tha fatasa, waritha. But then the ha has got a long dhamma on it. Warithahu. Warithahu. And let's move on to long kasra now. So ain with a normal kasra underneath it. I, ba with the fatha, but then an alif after it. Iba. And just like in the other example, Dawuda, this is ibadi. And then a ha with the kasra, long kasra underneath it. Ibadihi. Noon, waw, damba, nu, ra kasra ri. Ha with the long kasra underneath it. He, nurihi. And some examples for the long fatha over here. So mim with the long fathani. So it's going to be ma. Lam with the normal kasra. Kaf with the kasra underneath it. Liki. So it's going to be maliki. Maliki. And then over here. Ya with the long dhamma, long fathani. Swad with the long fathani. So ya, so. Lam with the kasra. Li. Ha with the dhamma. Hu. Ya, solihu. Ya Salihu. And that's it for this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.